Hello, this is Billy. Today I'm coming to you with so this is a 2000 Lexus GS 300. What we're looking at right now is the coil packs and the wire harnesses that plug into the coil packs. Car was running, but just running real rough. There was a delay. It was like a half-second delay when you would give it acceleration. After clearing all the codes and then driving it a little bit, the code I was getting was bank 2 Misfire. I recently put on the new coils and put in new spark plugs, and as soon as I got in here, I could see that the harness where it plugs into the coil pack was not in the best of shape. So after talking and coming to a conclusion, I'm just going to take some pliers and break this shell, this plastic shell off. These little wire ends that fit inside on those little tips there. I'm going to take some needle nose and very carefully squeeze on those to make them a tighter fit. And I've already got one done. This front one's done. You'll notice the plastic shell has been removed. I squeezed those little tips. The female tips, I squeezed them just a little bit to make them fit a little tighter. And then I took some silicone gasket maker stuff, put some on my finger, and after I made sure they were pushed down good and making good contact, I filled the void with that black silicone. So for anybody that may be having a similar issue, hope this video is able to help. Good luck. Okay, one thing I would like to add is to make sure before you got to make sure that the wires are in the exact same position. So once you take some pictures and look at it real close and make sure that you're putting the wires back in the exact same spot as if the shell casing was going to be there. So on this front one, the top wire up here, the top one was the one that had the little brown stripe on it, and the bottom one was solid black. On the next plug, it has the exact same. The top wire has a little brown line on it. The bottom wire has black. On the back, the black wire with the brown line is on top, and the brown wire is on the bottom. So just make sure you're getting those wires in the exact same spot. Okay, good luck.